Wow, look at this beautiful couple. I wonder when he's going to pop the question. I wonder when he's going to pop the question. Okay, pop the question. This only has one meaning. It means to propose. To propose. Okay, propose means to ask, will you marry me? Okay, now very often in our culture, when a man proposes, he gets down on one knee. Look, he's getting down on one knee, and then he asks, will you marry me? Will you marry me? Okay, so then the woman is going to tell all her friends later, he proposed! Or she might take out her cell phone and text all her friends, he proposed! Okay, then she's going to show all her friends the engagement ring. The engagement ring. Okay, so usually in our culture, when people start dating, they usually date for 1 or 2 years, and then they get engaged. Okay, then their engagement might last about 6 months, and then they get married. Okay, so that's usually how it works in our culture. But I want to know about you. Is your culture different? Is it the same? Do you have dating in your culture? What about engagement or marriage? Do you have engagement rings and wedding rings? Okay, tell me all about your culture down there in the comments, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.